Meanwhile, the community in Lauderdale County left to pick up many of the pieces of debris from those strong winds.
News 19 talked to a lot of folks who almost didn't get to safety. News 19's Samson Tamajani joining us now live from the area of Central Heights, where wind damage ripped up some trees and took down some houses. Samson?
Yeah, well, guys, you're not kidding. These are the scenes only about 18 hours after the strong winds struck this area north of Florence. And residents here told me they had really less than 30 seconds to react to the strong winds hitting outside. The scene that we're looking at right now is drastically different than what we arrived to this morning. This lawn just by itself was littered in uprooted trees. The homeowners told us the oak trees were over 100 years old, several of them uprooted at angles of 90 degrees, all done now. But you know, it didn't stop here, as you can probably tell from the footage that we were just seeing from Addison. The damage trail shredded through trees, roofing, and in the case of several homes, tree crashing through yards. In one case, on top of a house. Many families told us they lived in the Lindsay Creek subdivision for decades, but never suffered damage like this. Today, they're just they're happy to be okay enough to just begin this recovery process. No doubt, tons of work still to do here, but from crews to neighbors and families of all ages, nobody has missed a beat here in joining together to get things back to normal. We'll show some of that here coming up at 5 o'clock. For now, live in Lauderdale County, Samson Tamajani, News 19.